Correct. Sound of A.
Sound of
A. 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 Sound of T. 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 Sound of I. Sound of P. Sound of N. बोलो sound बोलो बेटा. Very good. Sound of C and K together. H. Of E. E is like this. Ayansh, आप बोलो sound बोलो Ayansh. Don't be sit like this. H. What is sound of H? Sound of R. R. Sound of M. Roll your lips inside it. No, not like this, Vishwak. Roll your lips inside and say. Correct. Now today we will do sound of D. The dog was working as a guard for the lion. So here is a dog. What is this?
Dog.
He's working as a guard.
God.
And his duty is protect lion and his family while they are sleeping. So the word is duty.
Beauty.
One day, lion came back then very late. So the word is day.
Day.
Then.
Olo.
Then. This is the den. Lion called den.
Then.
Yes.
That is super good.
Lion got donuts for his little cup. So what are these? What he got?
Donuts.
Donuts. And Cup saw the donuts and happily said, "Thank you, Daddy." What he said?
Thank you, Daddy. Amma,
So it was quite dark and Lion was hungry too. So he went inside the den for dinner. So how is it? It is a
dark.
and
Dark.
went inside for dinner.
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 What dinner?
So dog closed the door. What is the bird? Dog closed the
Door.
door. And after dinner, they went off to sleep. See, they are going to sleep now. So dog stayed outside, protecting King's family while they were sleeping. So here, dog is staying outside and protecting the lion's family. Which animals are these? Do you know? Which animals are
Dog.
these? Donkey,
Donkey.
donkey, and dinosaur.
Donkey and dinosaur.
Yes. So dinosaur and donkey came to meet lion. They both came to meet lion. Why they came? So dog stopped them from going inside. Donkey said, we want to meet lion. What donkey said?
We want to meet lions.
Lion. So dog replied, sorry, he's sleeping. He cannot meet you. He was sleeping quite deeply. We could hear him snoring. Can you hear him snoring?
Yeah.
Yes. So the word is deep. Deep. Now dog said, you cannot disturb him. Please tell me what work you have. So the word is disturb. What is the word? Disturb. Dinosaur said, oh, we are here to invite Lion's family for tomorrow's dance party. So tomorrow is a dance party. So that's why Donkey and Dinosaur came here to invite them. So the word is dance.
Dance.
Yes. Dinosaur gave card to the dog. What dinosaur gave?
On to the dog.
Say, oh, I see. Please give card to me. I shall give it to lion in the morning. So dinosaur will give this card, the dog will give this card to the lion in the morning. The next day evening, lion with his family and dog went for the dance party. Where they went? For the
Dance party.
dance party. Good, good. Very good, Ishwak and Bharansh. Now all were dancing on the music. So deer was playing the drum and he says like this. Duh, 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 duh. Yes.
Drum.
It's the sound of D.
The
Duh, duh, duh. Good. Okay. What is this?
Dog.
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 And house called? Den. Yes, den. Okay. What are they all doing? Duty.
Beauty.
They are doing duty.
Beauty.
What is this?
Beauty. Door.
Door.
Donut.
Yes, donuts.
Food.
What is this?
Food. Dinner.
Dinner. Correct. What is this?
Dinosaur.
Dinosaur. This one?
Cow.
Donkey. Donkey. Well done. What is it doing?
Spider-Man.
But what is it doing?
Spider-Man.
What is he doing?
Yoga.
Dance. Not yoga. Dance. Mhm. What is this?
Drum.
Drum. Good. This one?
Lion.
Daddy. Correct. What is this?
Waterfall.
Dam. This is dam.
Dam.
What is this?
Duck.
Yes, duck.
Duck.
This one?
Princess.
Doll.
We can call doll. Doll.
Doll.
This one? Dust.
Dust.
These are
Water.
drops.
Drop.
See me play on my drum. Playing drums is lots of fun with a da 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 da. See me play upon my drum.
Let's do one more time.
See me play on my drum. Playing drums is lots of fun with a da 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 da. See me play upon my drum.
Good. Okay, let's blend. Let's see. What is the sound? A. Next one.
Double D.
One time D. Huh. So how can you read it? A, D. A, D. Adder, adder. Okay? Adder, adder, add. We should not write Vishwa. We should just read. We are reading now. Writing time I will tell you, then only write, okay? Ah.
Yes.
What is the word, Hayansh? The adder?
Water.
Dad.
No. The adder? Very good. Vishwa, you can read like this. The adder, dad. Huh. Yes. Read this. What it becomes? Adder, adder, mad. Mad. This one. And. And. End. And. End. Okay.
And
Say
say
these sounds. R, d. Now both of you are mute. Hayansh, read. R, Vishwak, read. D. Say r, red. Good. Okay, now say this one. Read it. S, a, d. S, a, d. So what it become? Sadder, sad. Sad. Okay, 4 letters will not do today. Let's do activity of M and D. Yes, you both have to say one by one. Dragon. Vishwak, dragon has of its sound. D or M. Dragon has which sound? Dragon. Duh. Good. Hayansh, mango begins with? Good. Next, milkman begins with? Vishwak. Vishwak, you should know your turn now. You both are alone in the class. So one is saying, now the other one should say next. Huh? Yes. Hayansh, mermaid begins with? Very good. Next, mop begins with Vishwak. Mop. Correct. Drum begins with? Duh. Well done. Dots begins with? Dots begins with? Arvind? Vishwak. You're not saying, see? Doll begins with Hayansh.
No.
D. Correct.
The.
Yes, Vishwak. Now sing. Dress begins with
Dress.
dress.
No.
With sound?
No.
D.
Yeah, D. Next, monkey begins with
Ma.
Mm.
Ready?
N.
money begins with
Mm.
Vishwak. Money.
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 Same sound.
Mm.
Good.
M.
M.
Door begins with
D.
Door
The.
D.
The.
Good. With this, we are done with this activity of the. Now let's write words. I'm telling you one sounds and you should write, okay? Right. Mm,
Mm.
mm,
ఇక్కడ సైడ్ కి మళ్ళీ నెక్స్ట్ వర్డ్ వెయిట్
Mm.
E,
E. E.
ఈ
Aya.
E, yeah. Then D. E, D. Mid. Hayansh, write beta.
ద నాట్ బ యు రైట్
D. Mid.
ద
Deer. Razor. Ramdan.
Okay. Tell me spelling, Vishwak.
ఇది ఇది చెప్పు స్పెల్లింగ్ ఇదేంటి
M.
ఎం
M. I. D.
Very good. Hayansh, did you write MID? Yes. Next word. D. E. D. Write both of
Da.
you.
రైట్ హియర్ రైట్ హియర్
The.
ద
D.
E.
ఈ ఈ
I రాయాలి Then ma'am.
Say spelling. Hayansh, if you are done, tell spelling of did. Bolo spelling bolo beta. Hayansh.
Two times it is.
రైట్
No.
Did.
Speak
Did.
properly.
Wrong. D-I-D.
No must
D,
be.
I, D. Right, correct
No
spelling.
must be.
Okay, next word. Her and had. Right? Both of you.
had
And
ha ha
H.
yeah, H.
H. No.
shut
Her and done. Vishwak done.
No.
Say spelling,
No.
Hayansh. Spelling શું છે બેટા હયાંશ શું લખ્યું તમે
Huh? H. H.
Hayansh,
બોલો
speak
બેટા
better.
હયાંશ what did you write
Aya.
Chief.
Ia. Ea.
Her and
Next.
d
Dinner. Done. Then ma'am.
say Vishwak.
spelling
H. A. D.
H-A-D had correct next write dip D
dip
E P
d
D E P
Deer.
mm.
Dinner.
Mm. right here Da.
The
E.
ear.
Ah.
I royal.
You write. What E sound?
The E P.
P. P.
Hayansh, right.
What is sound? Hmm.
Ear. Ear. Royal.
Sit proper. Sit proper. Vishu.
Right, beta, Vishwak.
Done.
Say spelling. The E P.
The
D.
Da means.
D.
D.
Tell. What is that?
I.
Hmm.
P.
Pass means. Pass sound.
P.
D I P. Dip. Good. Next, right. Dim. The E. Yes,
The
Hayansh, right. Next word. The E.
E. Big royal. Ear.
No. E. E.
Eraser. Next. Ear.
You write. I don't know.
The E.
Itlana.
No. Sound what?
N.
No, not Tadu.
Close your lips inside.
What is that sound? Vishu.
Don't put in your mouth.
Hayansh, bolo spelling. Dim.
Good girl.
D, D, D.
D I M. Very good, Hayansh. Well done. Well done, Vishwak. D-I-M. Dim. Now write. And. End.
I royal.
Right. And.
First. N.
And. Bolo, Hayansh.
निधि कर इधर
A લખ્યું કે E લખ્યું? First માં શું લખ્યું તમે? બોલો હયાંશ, શું લખ્યું છે? A કે E?
Done, ma'am.
નહીં. Yes, Vishwak, you say?
बोला.
First letter is E, not A, Hayansh. E.
First letter E. Right, E. Not
Letter
A.
E
First
says an
E.
M sound. Nah? That's why I did action. You should identify which
E.
sound is it. Means E. Right, E.
E, not I. E.
And.
E and D. Yes, correct.
Correct. E and D, very good. Next one, right? The, E,
సోషల్ మీడియాలో ఉన్న మనం
Din.
Din.
Da.
E.
बोलो हयांश. The means D. Very good. Well done, Hyansh.
Done,
Yes.
ma'am.
Say spelling.
Vishu, you tell.
Say spelling? D.
Yeah.
I, no?
E. Mm.
N.
N.
Okay, sorry, we did D, E, and then, no? No, D, I, and then we did. Okay. Now write R, E, D. Red. R,
R.
E, D.
R.
Next.
Eggs in the pan. Then D. Bolo. Hayansh, bolo.
Man.
Hmm. A means E or A?
R A लिखना
E. A.
C. Very good. Good. Yes, Vishwak, say.
Wait.
Wet.
R
Hmm.
E D.
Correct. Next one, dam. D, A, M. Right. Both of you.
Next.
D, A, M.
D.
Bolo, Hayansh.
spelling
D,
D
D,
Visu
Mommy,
फिर से बोलो
A
Mm.
D A N.
yes, D, A, M. Next one, right? Pad. P, A, D.
A. Pad.
D.
Mm.
Ma'am done. Ma'am done.
Spelling of pad.
P A D.
D
P-A-D, pad. Correct. Good. Next, right? S, A, D. Sad.
Sa.
S.
A.
Sattler.
ಅದು
Yes,
ಇದೆ
Hayansh.
ಸಾ. A.
Double sa.
A.
Sattler.
S,
Sad.
S-A-D.
Sad. కరెక్టే రా కరెక్టేది.
S A D
Sad.
S-A-D, sad.
And A. Wrong Ross. We should give the pencil. ಅದು
S-A-D, sad.
A. ಇದು ಇಲ್ಲ ఇట్ సైడ్. Yeah, we should. No, wrong. ఇట్ సైడ్ రాస్తున్నాం. రివర్స్ లో రాస్తున్నాం. ఇది దిస్ ఇస్ ఏ. చూసినావా?
నేను అట్లనే రాస్తా.
Are Vishwak done, beta? Sad.
Done.
Next,
Done,
right?
ma'am.
H-I-D. Hid. Right, both of you? H-I-D. Hid. Hayansh, right?
Yoga. Ma'am, we have to write E I.
I tell sound, not letter, no? You should identify. Which letter has a E sound? That you should write.
E.
I. I.
Hmm. Ida.
D. D.
Done, ma'am.
नोट डन मैं ना मैच देख रहा हूँ
Ah, Ayansh, do it, beta.
No mostly,
Ida.
no mostly.
H-I-D. Done?
डन
Hmm. Yes. Next, next, write one more word. One more word we'll write with the 4 letters. Right. D. Write D.
The hands देखो.
Da.
D. Then eh.
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 A.
S. Then K. K.
It's
D as K.
Outside.
next.
Yes. D as K. Desk. Tell me spelling. What did you write?
D-A-S-C.
Wrong. D-E-S-K.
डन मैम
हाँ, Hayansh बोलो.
डी
It is wrong, ma'am.
D. D. What
It
D?
is wrong.
ए
क्या लिखा है?
K. Not C-K.
ई
D-E-S-K. Done?
D. S. K.
D-S-K.
Next.
Done, both of you?
Yes.
यस
Okay. Now, today's sound is D, which is D. So, you should read all these words, revise it,
Yeah.
and write one more time in the homework. Okay?
Okay.
Ayansh, do practice of reading. Okay, beta? Yes.
Asha.
Good. Yes, we have done, beta.
No. Done.
Done, ma'am.
Good.
Done, ma'am.
Okay, beta. Just read these words, revise it, and tell mama to give you dictation of all these words one more time. Whatever we have done till now, from first class to now, every words you have to revise. Read it by yourself and do one more dictation. At least write 5 words daily. So you can write 5 words daily, read 5 words daily. So it will be good practice for you. Now, then you can able to read 5 to 6 letter words also. If you'll do daily practice, it will take only 5 to 10 minutes, which we can give in a day. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. So bye, good night.
Good night.
Bye.
गुड नाइट
Bye, beta. Good night.
बाय